Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality a profile backlink, and you guys are also able to create your community backlink and the forum backlink on this website. So the website name is codecademy.com, and this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 88, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 85, and the spam score is only 4%. So it is considerable. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 4.6 million monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, India, Germany, and another country. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the sign up button, and there you can add your any of a temporary number. This site will do not send you the OTP OTP kind of things. So you can normally you can add any of number here, and then after that you can click on the continue, and after that this will be ask you for the email number, email address, then the password. Then you can click on the sign up button. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. And here you can choose your category. So what do you want to learn about? So you can select any of the preferable. So not sure yet. What do you want to achieve? Switch career, build project, not sure yet. Beginner. And here it is. You will see your account is created. You can click on this, click on the profile icon. And there is a edit profile button. You can click on this. And from there you can first you can optimize, first you can activate your account. So we received a confirmation email, so you can click on this link, and here it is. You will see our account is successfully verified. So you can click on the profile icon, profile button, click on the edit profile, and the first we can update our username. So you can add your company name, there you can add your brand name, there you can add your short bio. So in the short bio, the character limit is 160 character. So there you can add your website a description. And there you can add your location. Then you can add your username, LinkedIn username. There you can add your Twitter username. And then there you can add your website URL. Once you guys will complete all the things, then you can click on the save changes, and make sure to use check for everyone, and everyone can see my profile. So we have created our profile backlink. So this is your profile backlink, and if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is your username, this is your brand name, and but our website URL is not visible. Okay, so after that you will see there is a lot of things. So you can click on the community sector center, and you can click on the visit community, click on the continue, and now there you can create your full name. So there you can add your full name, DML training. There you can add your heading, so unlock your digital marketing potential. So there we can add our another heading, and then you can add your location. There you can add your short bio about your company, and there you can add your LinkedIn URL. So this is and there you can add your website URL. Prevent member from messaging me, so my profile in the member directly. Okay, then after that you can click on the continue button, and now here you are ready to contribute on the community sector section. So you will see joined or start a club, meet the community team, and you will see a career club. So you can choose anything from here, and also you will see from there you can search anything. So like I can go to search video interview, and let's see what kind of things. So there is nothing any discussion about the video interview. So you will see there is a lot of category, so you can select the category, and you will see these kind of thread they are posting, so you can click any of thread. So suppose if I can click on this, and you will see about the data science. Okay, so there is how I can going to contribute. Okay, so you are able to reply her thought, so you can type your thoughts here, and then you are able to post the thread on this website. So I guess you guys got the idea to how you can contribute on the thread, a community, and how you can create your profile backlink on this website. And also I can show you something. So when I'm doing my keyword, when I'm doing my keyword research for my website, so there I found one a related a topic for my keyword. So there I found this thread. So note from a software developer job interview. So you will see this is a forum backlink, but I haven't idea to how I can contribute on this. So overall, if I can remove discuss, and then you will see yeah, so you will see this is your forum section. So you can also submit the forum on this website. So you can see you can use this URL, so discuss.codecademy.com, and you will see there are a lot of things. So you can post any new topic here, so you can add your title and the description, and then you can paste it here. And also you can search anything, and then you will see these are the top forums the published on this website. So overall this is the process for the backlinking on this website, and I guess you guys got the idea to how you can create your forum backlink on this website, and the community backlink and the profile backlink. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion from me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.